Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. You find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of their children, some find it in the lover's eyes. Who can deny the joy it brings? And you found that special thing. You're flying without wings. Some find sharing every morning, some in a solitary lives. You find it in the words of others. A simple line can make you laugh, oh, cry. You find it in the deepest friendship, the kind you cherish all your life. And when you know how much that means, when you found that special thing, you're flying without wings. So impossible, a day may seem. You've got to find forever a dream, 'cause who's to know which one you let go would have made you complete? Well, for me, it's waking up beside you to watch the sunrise on your face, to know that I can say I love you at any given time or place. It's little things that only I know. Those are things that make you mine. And as I fly without wings, 'cause you're my special thing, I'm flying without wings. And you're the place my life begins, and you'll be where it ends. I'm flying without wings, and that's the joy you bring. Baby, I'm flying without wings.